Good day, I'm Mark Angelo Gonzalez and I'll be the one who present our final project titled Multi-Language Lexical Analyzer using Flex. So this project aims to analyze source code written in 3 programming languages such as C, Python, and Java. And it breaks it down into tokens such as keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, and punctuation. So it also helps programmers understand how code is interpreted at the lexical level, which is the first step in compilation. So this system was developed using a Flex, a lexical analyzer generator, and a GCC for compiling the code. I'm running it on MSYS2 in a Windows environment, and I'm using a Visual Studio Code as my editor. So the project contains these different files. So when executed, the program asks the user to a language, C, Python, or Java. So let's start executing. Make, then Lexer to run code. So it will ask the user if C, Python, or Java. So try C. So even a small letter or a big letter can handle it. So choose file. Then based on our file, test C. Sample C. So this is the tokenized code lexical analysis. So let's try another programming language. Python. So kahit big letter or small letter can handle this program. So file, even small letter it is can handle. Enter a source code to analyze. So Python yung pinili natin, so sample.py. So this is the lexical analyze. Next is Java. Same procedure. Choose Java. Try natin kung mag-error. So yun. Sample.java. Ay, mali. So if failed to choose file or interactive, it will invalid input mode selected. So that's the error handler. So ulitin natin. Java and file, choose input mode, then sample.java. So ito na yung result na analyze na. So try naman natin yung interactive mode. C. Interactive. So hanap tayo ng code para ma-paste. C. Then at the end, maglagay ng EOF. So the same lang po sa other programming language, Python or Java. So try tayo hanap ng error handler. So Java. So file. So try natin mag-input ng ibang file. Sample. py. So it will error file extension does not match selected language Java. So dapat Java po. So another Python. And our source for file name. So what if mag-try tayo ng wala sa test, wala sa file directory that so error pa rin, may error handler. So I think that's all for this video. I hope you learned something. Thank you.